esta vida, voy a demostrar los míos.
Mano, me desculpa.
Caramba, mano, quem foi? Quem foi? Credo. Nossa. Caramba! Porra, vida! Porco!
Bad girl.
Damn.
Oh, shit. That looks amazing.
Damn.
It's like a glove. Did you? Eso, hijo de puta.
But they're so loud.
You've been good.
What have you been doing?
Burp, don't hold it in. I'm drinking some Coke, and if it happen...
Sure.
Your turn. Your turn, go.
Contest, but I'm pretty sure I would lose.
Battles. What's up?
No, burp battle. Like that.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, Lord. Who's the problem? Love you. now what, bitch? God. I don't know if you know it, but I said.
I need dark hair streaming. Nice.
Madison, I love you, Madison. That you need a wrench.
Yeah, it's your turn. I already got. Jesse, or not Jesse. Wait, watch out. She's gonna swap me.
If I send you $1,000, you got ready?
Yes.
Fuck. That was my
Fire. Okay. Alright, Tabby, grab my
tongue. 3 back to back. Now I'm the only one that could be able to do it, and I can't do it.
What? Oh, excuse me. I don't know if I really smashed. I feel like I just saw you. What? Yeah, I love that. Some Percocet with. Fuck. Did you say you would drown? Okay, that's. Bro, that's what I did. Excuse me. My only fan live.
Chad would rather a bit.
I'll do it if I can. Excuse me. I'm crippling my ass. I know you. No one guessed the next sequence is a 0. Excuse me. I love you. À, phải trở lại. Sorry， 是我打的嗝，大哥。欢迎小兔儿仔，欢迎。
都无可奈何，静静。